Imagine this. You're working on a project, everything seems fine, but then boom, it falls apart because the team didn't fully understand what the business needed. Sound familiar? That's why today we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of project management, and that is understanding business requirements. Welcome back to Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel, where we simplify complex topics into actionable steps. By the end of this video, you'll know how to gather, elicit, and write requirements to set your project up for success. Let's dive in. Business requirements define the high-level needs of an organization that a project must fulfill. They explain the why and what behind a project. For example, if a company wants to develop a mobile app, the business requirements might include processing payments, providing customer support, and integrating with existing systems. Imagine a retail company wants to boost online sales. A business requirement could be, the system must provide personalized product recommendations to increase customer engagement. These requirements directly tie into the company's goals and help guide the project. Gathering and eliciting requirements is about uncovering what the business truly needs, not just what stakeholders think they need. It's like detective work, asking the right questions, listening closely, and digging deeper to clarify hidden or ambiguous needs. For instance, if a stakeholder says, "We need a better way to track customer interactions," asking follow-up questions might reveal they want a system that integrates with social media to log online interactions. This kind of detail is critical for creating an effective solution. Now, there are 3 techniques that stand out when gathering requirements. First, interviews. It is one-on-one discussions with stakeholders provide in-depth insights. For example, interviewing doctors when designing a healthcare app helps uncover their specific workflow needs. This approach is great for understanding complex challenges and clarifying unclear requirements. Second is surveys. They are structured questions sent to a large audience are ideal for identifying trends quickly. For example, when building an e-commerce platform, surveys can reveal customer shopping habits and frustrations with existing systems. Last is workshops. These are collaborative sessions bring stakeholders together to define and prioritize requirements. For example, hosting a workshop with representatives from HR, IT, and marketing when redesigning a communication tool ensures all user needs are considered. Workshops encourage alignment and immediate feedback. After gathering information, the next step is to write clear, actionable requirements. Think of this as creating a detailed blueprint for your project. First is be specific. Replace vague statements like, "The system should be fast," with measurable ones like, "The system should load user profiles within 2 seconds." Next, use simple language, avoid jargon. Instead of, "The application should interface seamlessly with ERP," say, "The app should work smoothly with current software." Next, prioritize features. Identify must-have and nice-to-have features to guide development focus. Last is, ensure testability. Make requirements measurable. Replace the system should be reliable with the system should have 99.9% uptime. Business requirements are the foundation of every successful project. They define the goals, guide development, and ensure everyone is on the same page. Techniques like interviews, surveys, and workshops help uncover what stakeholders truly need, while clear, concise requirements keep the project on track. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.